necessarily have to have a miter saw like this. You can use a skill saw and just a set of sawhorses. But I made the sawhorses. I made this long table here so that I could cut boards, and then I could also rapidly cut boards that are all the same length. And what you got here is you've got a block that slides back and forth on here, so that I could take it, make my measurement to here, to where I want the cut, take the clamp, stick the clamp on here, clamp it down like so. That holds it there, and that way I can do repetitive cuts. In other words, I can just take a board and put it up to here, stop it, block it, saw. This side of the arm is short, and that side's long, so that way it can support a longer board. If you're cutting something 12 foot long, it's kind of hard to hold it if you've got a short end like this. Everything here is screws. That way I can take it all apart and store it for later. In other words, I can take off 2 screws here, take the saw off, store it. I can take this portion here, which is just screwed down in a short section to the top of the sawhorses that I made. And I can hang this somewhere in a shed or in a workshop or something. And then the sawhorses are stackable. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and I hope this was a little helpful hint. If you're going to do something, any kind of project, I would suggest looking at least building this miter saw and these sawhorses. So thanks a lot again, guys, for watching.